14 children have died. The common link? A cough syrup called Coldriff. In MP's Chinwara district, kids aged 1 to 6 died of kidney failure after taking the syrup. Tests confirmed it contained diethylene glycol, DEG, a poisonous chemical used in industrial products. Coldriff was made by Srisan Pharmaceuticals in Tamil Nadu. It's now banned in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, MP and Rajasthan. Drug inspectors are checking other states too, but this isn't the first time. Similar cases involving Indian cough syrups have happened before. In Jammu in 2019, the Gambia in 2023, and Uzbekistan in 2023. The problem? India's drug rules don't require mandatory DEG testing before syrups are sold. So the big question is, how many more children must die before cough syrups are properly tested? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.